Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new video. And it's a very sad news that Bangladesh's journey has finished for the Asia Cup 2025. And it's a great failure for the batting side in the last match. You can see Bangladesh played well in whole Asia Cup, but in the Super 4, there are three matches. First match against Sri Lanka, they played really well and win the match very easily. And against India, India is a strong team. India is the number one team in T20 right now. So Bangladesh lost the match. But in the next day against the match of against the Pakistan, and you can see Bangladesh bowling department. They played really well, and Zakir Ali Onik, he is the captain in that match, and Liton Kumar Das, he did not attend the match due to his injury. So you can see Zakir Ali Onik, he won the toss and decided to bowl first. And Bangladesh bowling unit, they are very strong. Taskin Ahmed, you can see Sheikh Mahdi Hassan, Rishad Hussain, young leg spinner, extremely bowled really well. You can see Mustafizur Rahman, he's also bowled really well. In our bowling department, the strong side, and all the supporters, they have a good side on the bowler, and you can see they bowl really well, and the power play was really good, and the power play was under the Bangladesh team, and the middle over also Bangladesh dominate over the Pakistani batters. But in the finishing over, Bangladesh in the finishing over, Pakistan really they need to collect some run for create a big target. You can see Pakistan they collect a target that they want in that finishing over. And you can see Bangladesh fielding side. It's a really sad news that Bangladesh fielding, they I think they dropped so many expensive cases. You can see Shaheen Shah Afridi, he dropped on one, but he scored 90. So Bangladesh has a great failure in also fielding side. You can see Mohammad Nawaz, he also dropped on 0 and he scored 25. So this point Bangladesh need to be very careful about the fielding side. You can see Pakistan, they get a total of 135, and this is not a big score. It's a T20 game, and you need to score 135, and you have 120 balls, and this is not a very tough competition for you. And Bangladeshi batter, they bat really well, but in this match you can see Bangladesh batter, they lost their first wicket on the first over. Shaheen Shah Afridi is the number one bowler for the Pakistan team right now, so he bowled well. And Parvez Hassan Imon, he did not understand the bowling of Shaheen Shah Afridi. You can see Tawhid Hridoy, it's a break. He tried to manage he could not face the Shaheen Shah Afridi ball, and he also out on Shaheen Shah Afridi ball. You can see our batting